and place the order. So when the miners deliver, then the settlement bank settle the miners. Then those who invested with the mining company as a share, the mining company share goes up. Those who are buying it as a stock will also make profit. You see how the financial market is interconnected. So you
Yeah.
guys need to learn
So
and understand
yeah, so I
the
have a
logic
question.
behind it. Okay.
Yeah, so how do we assess the information for the miners to be able to see
It's
when they
not
place that demand?
it's not something I can tell you easily. That's what we do research, analyze, and investment and invest. That's what we told you. So
Oh, okay.
there's
Okay.
area we used to go and get it. If you watch my picture, there's a picture I, I took with a mining company. Um, I was with a mining company. That mining company is based in Australia.
Right.
So they are
Right.
biggest mining company controlling the New York Stock Exchange and the London Stock Exchange. So I took that picture with
Okay.
them. So there are some areas you go, you see their data, like you are all the data of demand available for them. You can get it on internet, but I cannot just show you all of them because I'm not the one to extract them. I place a request, they need to come to me. I send it to a data analyst, analyze. Then before we now come out at a conclusive point, my own is to dish out exactly what I've been
What's going on?
done.
I understand.
Yeah, although I'm a data analyst, I can say analyze it, but I'm not really expert in data analysis. I can do a little bit. I know some basis of data analysis work. So we analyze it, know exactly what's happening. But from the data we have last week, we already still have much demand. Like demand has already pushed the gold to 5,000 as I speak to you. So what you are seeing here is
Hmm.
just like effect. We see here is
Effect
effect.
of what already happened.
Yeah. So it will still go to that 5,000. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, it's now 4,600. So in the future, we have about 4,000 people remaining. So if you're holding a trade with 4,000 pips, expecting it, that'll be about $40,000 on $10 contract. Then if you are holding with $20, that'll be 20 on $20 contract. But now what you have to know is that there is no particular time it will get to. But some analysts are expecting that this year it will get to 4,000. I mean, and the way I'm seeing it by March, we may be seeing it around 800 or at least 48. Or you know what I mean? Because it's already like, you know, yeah. So what I'm
Okay.
saying is that our analysis on gold still remains strong. We have gained so much. How much have you gained so far? This is where we're supposed to place a trade. I think here last week. Yeah, so it has done 775 pips. Sorry, 275 pips already. And it has broken this point. So my logic here remains we are still holding bullish on gold. We are not going to go bearish. If you're on CFD picture of trading, I will suggest you put your SL within this point. Like 4-5, whereas 100 pips away. Then if you're on the future part of trading, you put it for 450, like 4,550, like half of it, because future is not as volatile as CFD. And also depending on the margin your exchange or your broker is giving to you. I like as we're expanding because last year I didn't have much future traders here, to be honest. So that's our logic. So we don't have a take profit on gold. For those of you don't take profit, just be cashing out. Yeah, just be cashing out. So if you want to buy suya, if you want to buy suya and you check your bank account, no enough money, you just go to your trading account and collect the profit that's available there. You buy your suya, then you come back, then you continue your stuff. Uh, you know what I mean? So you want to buy yogurt, you don't have money, you come to your trading account, you see that gold has cash out some, then you withdraw, then you buy this thing, then So does not take profit on gold. Low setup because it's all about keep printing and keep going. So any form of retracement give us opportunity to buy more. Yeah, that's my own logic on gold. So that settle continues uh we speak, but there's something important on oil and I did not let us know. On Wednesday we'll have another report, but they have not really published what's gonna be the expectation so far here. So they have not published it. Let me show you before I forget. Here, they have not published it. What's gonna be our expectation on oil? It's called the inventory report. But those of it, I hope almost everybody knows about it on oil now. Is there anyone here that doesn't know about it? Someone told me, say, and Donald Trump is threatening Iran. It will hit very hard. Once it's happened, oil price will spark. Yeah, yeah. The boss is extremely low. It has change going on. Okay, I'm following the comment on the YouTube as well. So is there anyone that does not know much about inventory report? I think almost all of us know about it. Yeah. So now, so we're expecting a report tomorrow, which will be like a forecast, but on by 3:30 we are gonna hit it hard on it to see the impact is gonna be what will be the actual report, and we're also expecting to be a shortage because there's already oversupply in the market. So we're expecting shortage of supply, oversupply. You know that's how the law of demand and supply works. When the people supply too much, they may end up not supplying more because the one that have supply have not fully been sold. And we're also expecting OPEC to do something to know whether there could be production cuts in the future to stabilize the price of oil. Yeah. So these are the major things we're gonna focus on. Yeah. Then we hit FX, the FX market strong as well. We use euro and dollar for it. Let me show you. Yeah. So I don't know any of you miss if any of you missed this market because we didn't let you know on time, but we bought it in the morning. You know that we told you last week we're gonna tell you the next point of entry on Euro US, but we didn't let you know on time. Did I know if you maybe like pick the price?
Yes, I did, but with little volume.
Okay, and you made profit.
But I have not taken the profit though. It's still there.
Oh, okay, perfect. But I like as you're trading. What's the name, please?
Nkechi.
Okay, Nkechi. Oh, perfect. Um, so our analysis on gold is on USD is strong, but there are two things that we are considering concerning the euro and dollar. Please take note of it. Our fundamentals on them is tied to the economy of these two countries. So, yeah, because the strength of the economy impacts on the strength of their currency. So we are expecting something that the US market may not be very much good based on what this man is doing. Can't you see what the ice crisis and that could be the potential spark of maybe global concern concerning the US policies. So potentially this could weaken their currency as I speak to you because of once the stock market is affected, it will affect the economy. You know that the economy is tied to their currency. So we are expecting a bullish. This was our first bullish here. Here was our first bullish. So it didn't work. We wanted to give you another one. Now, this one has fully formed. So our potential SL it should be around 1.16. 1.16. But if you are trading it as a future, you put about
Okay.
around 1.164, like like half of it, and our exit point should be around 1.17. Yes. But we're expecting that the dollar will go weak anytime soon, and it will stabilize the euro. Because of the Eurozone doesn't even want to hear what Donald Trump is talking about over Greenland. So this was the analysis we wanted to share with you. We promise that we're gonna let you know the next entry, but we missed the timing in the morning. But it is still very valid. If like our Telegram last week told you we're gonna tell you the new entry, that was this new entry. So assuming you entered it, then even if you had had a loss on the previous one, probably must have recovered for now. But yeah, I'm trying to tell you that it is still very valid. We'll let you guys know again on the group. So since it has formed this thing, this is what we call mini support, which is also a very strong one, and it has already turned the metrics of trading here. So potentially we are also going bullish on Euro USD this week. So if you have any objection, just please let me know. Potentially we are going bullish on Euro USD this week. I'm just checking how the other market react, how their market look like. Potentially we are going bullish on Euro USD, and which we may. Yeah, the same analysis apply to Britain pound USD as well, potentially too. So we are also going bullish on them, but here will be our exit. Our exit will be within this point. Yeah. So you see this area now is our potentials. I don't know whether I'm making sense or I'm not making sense to you guys. Yeah, I'm checking my comment so to know if I'm making sense. Yeah. So this will be my own outlook for the week of for this week. It is a follow up of what we have been doing, both on gold, oil, and FX. So my question is now the open question: is there anyone who is battling with any instrument that he wants us to look into? Then before I go, I go straight to say my market. Are you holding a position that that's difficult for you? You wanted to look into, please.
There is this trade I
Okay.
have in one of my accounts. That is euro. It's not euro. Britain pound.
Mm-hmm.
It's the system that plays the trade for me since last year.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And almost at the top, that's when he entered the trade. So the thing started retracing. As of
Mm-hmm.
last week, before the market closed, it was
Mm-hmm.
about, as in lost, about $17 each because it was
Mm-hmm.
two.
Mm-hmm.
But this morning, when I wake up, even when the market has started going to my direction,
Mm-hmm.
I noticed that each of them is now about $50. That is $100 a loss. I tried to chat you on WhatsApp.
Did the market change?
It did not change.
Was it buy or sell?
It did not change, but the
I mean, was it buy or
the
sell?
loss I'm having is too much.
I mean, was it buy or sell?
It was sell. It was buy. Buy.
Okay. If it was buy, probably it can be reducing by now because the market is going up today. Maybe you bought at a higher
Yes,
price,
it's
and yeah, and brokers can change their spread at any time or margin. Check the margin given to you. You can actually it always change probably during high
no, but
market volatility.
it's the GF
Yeah,
tab
it
that
can.
web trader that I'm using.
Okay, web trader. So it can it could be margin, it could be spread. It's these two things. That's also if you check some pro firm account, they don't allow you to hold position overnight. because of the liquidity can change spread. And what could cause that is only spread or margin. Maybe they must have changed their spread because of this time of uncertainty. Some of these exchange and brokers, they always like to be on safer side, where they adjust their spread. Once the market close, then they adjust it because they don't know what's going to be the future. So if not that, some of us cannot be making profit every week. I could have been suggesting once week close, we close our profit, then open it. I mean, we close all our trade and open fresh one, but it's not possible to keep trade on profit every week. Yeah, maybe just give you some time. Kind of, it will contrast, and you'll be on profit. Those ones are beyond our control.
Okay, because
Do you
I've
understand?
tried
Yeah,
to
yeah.
place another trade. The spread was still okay, very small. So I was
Uh, uh,
wondering what is the problem.
that means it could be the spread of the one you have already placed. So look at what happened. So if you place a trade and probably you get charged on spread, does not mean that if you place another one, you're gonna be charged the first one. So the spread and whatever varies. So if market stabilize, it may have a new spread that they will charge you. That's how all brokers does. But those ones are just beyond us because they can do whatever thing they want. They can fix their spread, they can remove it, they can fix their margin and can adjust it just based on how their liquidity is coming from. Do you even know that even this spread and stuff, it's not even controlled by brokers. Just the brokers are just the scapegoat. It's actually controlled by liquidities, those who are supplying those prices. Who supply all these prices you see here? This is 1.34. It is those people who owns this price directly. They're the one that control those things. But they're the major one that's supplying the price we should buy, the price we should sell. What brokers does more is to do a markup, maybe add a small thing to make more money from you. So when their major supplier add, then the one the broker have added sometimes is constant. So the more these people add, the more the broker own automatically keep adjusting. Yeah, that's how it works. It's not even broker that control these things. It's liquidity, those who supply the price. But maybe it could be just because of the trade was placed on weekday. I don't know whether the charge swap on weekend rather. If the charge swap because of contributor, but I'm not sure if the charge swap on it. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm. So perfect. So for those of you that are very much busy, you don't have all the time to trade. Don't have, we have already analyzed on gold. Somebody say gold. We have done analysis on gold. Our gold analysis is still very powerful. We are not selling gold. We only buy gold. Gold most likely we're gonna hit 7,000 and so this 5,000 in the future. So if you want to buy Lamborghini, you want to buy a Ferrari, you want to marry another wife, you want to change your girlfriend, you want to upgrade your wife or your husband, you could be targeting investing in gold. You want to build a house, you have something you want to like target money on. Gold can may be able to give it to you. Last year, gold reported over 70% profit. But if you are on forex, you may have made more money because that one is based on margin. Yeah. So you make a lot of money on it. So we know that our own we are on the only company that you will not be able, on our own community this year. Nobody will lose capital if you follow our strategy 100%. Even if you follow our strategy 80%, we are the only people or only company or only community can join without losing capital. Now we want to make it almost like a mandate, but not mandate because you still have your choice to decide what you want. So this gold hedging platform allow you to hedge with gold and also allow you to invest, to be able to invest on the both side, like make profit on the both side. But when you are trading now, should I use you? Who should I use as a case study? Flimsy, are you here? What's that my friend name? Jeto.
Yes, I'm right here.
Okay, let me just use as a case study. Now, let's say now you buy gold on future, then you could also buy gold on your CFD at the same time. So you'll be making profit on the both side. Yeah. So this platform allow you to hedge with gold, and it become practically impossible for you to lose money. Those of you that are new to us, if you check our approach, you see that we are not just talking about forex like the regular people do. We want to make sure we navigate to the major market where things are done correctly. So this is how it works. then it can be able to hedge and prevent you from losing your capital. These are the platform was, so it can hedge as much as you want. It can hedge part of your money. Let's say you have $1,000. Instead of you to put all of them into forex, then it can lock up maybe 30% of it on gold, and you should be making more money on gold. Last year, gold hedging alone generated about 70% return. So imagine if you are hedging $1,000 on gold, and yeah, let's say you have $2,000 you were trading on forex, with $1,000 was hedging the account. That one hedging alone would have returned $1,700. Only that one without you doing anything. And the one you are trading on gold may have also returned big amount of profit, assuming you keep buying the same gold. However, you can as well hedge it with other instruments. Yeah. Then and the broker you will use to hedge it is Avatrade. Is one of the most popular broker. You use to hedge it. One of the most highly regulated broker. The one that you can use to hedge it. I mean, like if you have account with them, you can hedge it. You also be able to hedge through your brokerage account, but I don't know how it could work. But it's better we are all in one place. So you open account with them, then you connect and they hedge. So everything is 100% transparent. Then you can be able to maximize the capacity. Then now you can also use automated trading account, automated trading account or multi-account execution platform. Very much busy, you don't have all the time. So what you have to do is to connect the account and the strategy we are using. We have our own group. If you join our group, it means everything we are doing will be showing on your account, unless you could have all the money to capture all of them. So that means if you're gonna have the same result, if we're having good result, you're gonna have the same good result. Last year we have about 596 trade, we lost 43, and they gained 55, 55. It's not even all. I can tell you it's not all. Because our trade on equity was not extracted. Our trade on other platform was not extracted. We don't have all their data unless if they're gonna give me more, because we have other platforms too. Our trade on them was not, if we gather all our trade, it could be up to maybe 800 trade we did last year, and they check the number of them that closed at a loss, number of them that closed at a profit. So these are the things that you use to judge your success. If you're a data analyst, you start all this data and use it to predict, okay, if these guys are doing like this, tell me this is their most likely result. If I follow them, this is most likely what I'm gonna get. That's how you arrive at a conclusion. Because if once there's a pattern to follow, it's easier to make profit and predict the future. So if you join our own group, brokerage is big. If you join our own group this year, most likely you will have similar results we are having. You just have to be smart. You pick those analysis and place them and continue. Like as we said now, people that placed our analysis last week, they're all on profit as we said. So this week, obviously they're on profit. But God grace, next week we're gonna still make profit next week because we don't speculate. Then if this month reach, we were most likely going to meet our target because our target a week is 500 pips. So we have already made 800 pips already on oil and made 270 pips on gold. That means we have hit about a target for 2 weeks only in 1 week. You remember each week is 500, so each month is 2,000. So we already hit 1,000 pips within a week. If you follow them, that's how it will work. But manually, it can be difficult to follow. If you use automation, it's easier to duplicate all of them or 90% of it because automation will always put it there and you won't mix any opportunity. Manually can miss opportunity. Sometimes you can be busy, you don't have all the time, you don't have that. Then and the risk is now very tight. The risk is very tight now. It's not more like before because we are not just trading on risky forex or risky CFD. We are hedging. You could hedge your account, lock it up. As you lock it up, that means that percentage of lock up is there permanent because it is not tied to underlying asset. Why the profit keeps scaling. So this is the thing that you will need to do this year. If you join our group, you're gonna be able to maintain this consistency. And I know the reason why we are the best trader. Let's say, if not in the one of the best trader in the world, probably the best, one of the best in Africa. I don't know much of the traders in Africa. I'm probably the best in Nigeria or one of the best. Any question? So we have spent 1 hour on the stream. As I speak to you, our stream is most likely is 1 hour. Had event wanted to stay here. Oh, Dr. Nando just joined. He wanted to tell us something. Let me know if you can speak to us, please. Yeah, Dr. Namde from GTI Securities. It's GTI Securities like a licensed investment company in Nigeria, fully licensed by SEC. I just saw him now. He just popped up, listed on Nigerian Stock Exchange, and also one of the first trading company in Nigeria. Oh, I just saw him now. He just pop up. I wish, because we scheduled to spend 1 hour 30 minutes. We're already 1 hour. Let's know whether he will connect back again, so they can just speak to us. Does that make sense? I saw him now. He just pop up. Probably is having internet problem. Yeah, he tried to join now. So he will speak to us concerning uh yeah. I'm seeing him again. Yeah. Hi, Dr. Nandi. Good evening.
Sorry, good evening. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Yeah, yeah. We were talking about it before.
Okay, apologies. My connection is a bit off.
Okay. I see. Yeah. So we have even done much of our own side. We are just talking about it, and luckily for we talk about you at the beginning. Now, luckily for us, you just connected. I was trying to explain to the audience who you are and everything. Are you still there? So there are a lot of things you will need to learn from him. So somebody is asking me, I'm a trader from Uganda, from Rwanda. What is your take on young traders? So if you're a young trader who doesn't have money, register in our trading school. We can provide you capital. While you're using it to learn how to trade, you're also using it to trade together with us, and you can withdraw the profit you are making from it. Yeah, we'll be doing it for about 4 years, even before the pro firm started becoming popular. We'll be doing it. Now, Profim has also made it easier. So we're gonna give it to you. There's no challenge to pass. No challenge to pass. You will using our analysis to trade, and you making profit for young traders. So then you trading together with us. That will be our this thing for you. Yeah, Dr. Nandi have joined again. Good evening once again. Yeah, we can hear you. I don't know whether you can hear me. Somebody said, I'm interested in joining your group. So yeah, send me a DM, or if you check our bio, you will see it. But if you want to talk to us direct, it's mostly on WhatsApp. If you check our bio, you will see our link. If from that link you get our WhatsApp, then you can chat us directly, or you send us DM directly from here. Somebody say, how do I enroll? Also check our bio. You will see our link. Also join. There's Egwerewa. Yeah. I think Dr. Nan is having a technical problem. If he try to join and leave. I don't know. Know that we always have some issue. Um, Probably because of internet. So that's the thing. So this analysis is what we have in place now, and it is what we're gonna continue. We are gonna expect 2,000 people this month, but we have already hit 1,000 something. I'm sure not all of you hit it. There's no point. But if you follow all these things now we have done this year, you most likely gonna come out successful. Yeah. Then find a way to maximize the things we are doing, and don't just be an average. Keep learning new things. Keep upgrading. The more you learn something, the more you upgrade. The way we are last year is not the way we are gonna be this year. That's the truth. There's a lot of things we have learned. There's a lot of road we are. Mm. So our road network is not the same place with everyone, but I want to make sure that majority of our traders are successful, whether you're using automated trading or manual, because your success is what keeps us in the market. Yeah. So let's give Dr. Nandi one more time to know if he's gonna join. If he's not gonna join, I'm open for your questions and answers.